Yeah, what's up, guys? How you all doing and your families? This is a quick mix-up track made via Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. It's called Grand Knuckle House Evolution. It's a deep tech house track. If you like it, hit me up. Drop a like, subscribe, follow. Check out Linktr.ee/TommyTappah for more from me. Guys, hope you like it. like it, hit me up. Drop a like, subscribe, follow, comment. Check out more from me right here, guys. Check out Linktr.ee/TommyTappah for more. Without further ado, tap in for more from this channel right here.